Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best Deliveroo discount codes that are going to get you a ton of account credit, guys. So this is going to give you a spendable balance straight into your Deliveroo account once you redeem this code that I'm going to show you, guys. This is a working Deliveroo promo code for 2024. Everyone can use this. It works worldwide, but I know Deliveroo is mostly in the UK or the EU. So let me run through these steps, guys. You can essentially open up the internet on your mobile phone. You need to use your mobile and go to this website. So type it how I'm going to type it here: www.topdogcodes.com. So you need to go to this website here, guys, which is a coupon code and game code website. Now, I found these a few months ago and I've been working my way through the list, and they've saved me so much money across tons of different apps and websites. So go to the search bar and type Deliveroo. You're looking for the Deliveroo free credit and food coupons page. So that's what I'm going to go to. Scroll down. Now, as mentioned, you can get a £100 Deliveroo credit promo code. Now, this does say pounds, but if you're in the EU, this will be in your local currency. So it'll just translate to, say, euros or whatever. You can also get your next 3 food orders for free. So this could save you a ton of money, depending how large your orders are. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is click show coupon. So yeah, go ahead, click on the coupon you want. And in this case, I've chose the 100 Great British Pounds Deliveroo credit promo code. And you can see you need to unlock your code. Obviously, these codes are pretty desirable. They're worth a lot of money. So this prevents people from stealing all of the codes using like robots and what have you. So you need to unlock your code, guys. So go ahead, tap that. When this reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen and it's going to tell you how you can unlock your code. I'm not going to do it. I've already got enough account credit. But basically, you need to complete a couple of these simple and free tasks to verify you're a real person. And then it will reveal the full code and you can redeem it directly within your your Deliveroo app. Super easy, guys. So that is how you do it. Head over to topdogcodes.com. Just search for the Deliveroo page, and that's going to allow you to get your discount codes in 2024. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Go ahead, smash that like button, leave a comment if you need any help, and let me know which promo code you choose. Enjoy. I'll see you next time. Peace.